Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your hair look thicker than it actually is in your twist or in your flat twist, or you can even make your hair look less than it actually is on the head, just by the difference. What makes the difference is the amount of hair that you hold when you performing your flat twist. So yeah, I already flat twisted my hair a while ago, but I'm redoing it and starting the process all over again just for this video because I love you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I do is fluff out my hair, because in this side that I'm fluffing out, I am trying to get a much thinner twist. So I want my hair to be as straight or as unpacked as it possibly can be. So yeah, after fluffing it out, I don't comb it out, I fluff it out because my hair is really dry. I don't want to pass a comb through it because that will lead to breakage. So I literally just fluff it out and like try to spread it.
Sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know.
After that, I spray water to give it life, because if you know me, then you know that I love water, because water makes your hair soft. And I advise my type for girls or any natural girls or boys for that matter to always make sure that your hair is wet before you start working on it or separating it of any kind, to help you prevent breakage. So yeah.
If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Now that I'm satisfied with the amount of water that I've put, my hair is much softer. It may not be the most detangled, but it works. So I'm going to start twisting the hair, and what you're going to see is that I'm holding little amounts of hair or little chunks. I don't know how I should call it, but I'm holding little amount of hair and then I'm just twisting, and you're going to see that my flat twist is going to come out looking thin, and you'll notice that my hair will look much thinner. Yeah, so this is for my girls with, like, if you know, maybe your hair is on the thicker side, mine is medium size, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. So my hand is really paining, that's why I'm putting it down. But yeah, I'm holding very little hair, and you'll see how the twist is going to come out.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
I'm sorry if you notice that the light keeps going in and out. It's light and then it's dark in some places. It's not very noticeable because I tried to minimize it, but it's because I'm using natural lighting, and yeah, that's how natural lighting is. So just enjoy the video.
Thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
I think that the twist is coming out pretty decent. It looks neat. Even though the hair wasn't that detangled, it looks pretty neat to me, and I'm satisfied. Like, this is the size that I always go for, medium size, because it's more corporate-y. I don't know, corporate, yeah. So that's the size I always go for. But if I'm time bad, I'm going to be showing you on the left side of my head the size of the twist that I go for usually. Yeah, when I'm out of time, I promise you I'm going to do a much chunkier twist, and you're going to see that the size of the amount of hair that you hold when you're twisting your hair makes a big difference. You can have very thin hair and like give people the illusion of like your hair is much. So yeah, that's what I love to do. So now I'm just fluffing out the hair so that when I'm twisting it down, when I'm putting in my flat twist, I keep on calling it a twist, but it's a flat twist, the hair is going to look a little bit neat and a little more decent. So yeah, that's the purpose of passing in the comb. I don't really like comb my hair. You'll just see that, yeah, that's what I do. I don't like comb it because it's dry, and I want to minimize breakage in my hair. I may be out of time, but that doesn't mean my hair has to die as well. So now I'm going to start with a twist, and pay attention to the amount of hair that I'm going to be holding to add into my twists. It's going to be a lot of hair, and the twist is going to give you the illusion that my hair is much more than it actually is. So enjoy.
Lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Yeah, now I think that you can see the difference between the size of the flat twist on the left side. The left side is a little less neat. That's why I always prefer to go for the medium size, but you can make your hair much neater. You can make sure it's totally detangled, but you can see that someone can think that my hair is so much more than it is on the right hand side, but it's just the difference in the amount of hair that I held. So yeah, I wasn't about to go out looking crazy. I needed my flat twists to be the same size. So what I just did was take out the left side of the twist on the left side of my head, and I redid it to make sure that it was the same size as my right side, because as I told you prior, that is the size that I always go for, medium size, because it's more corporate, and yeah, it's what I like. It takes longer, like as a protective style. The hair doesn't come out like more like the hair doesn't come out like the hair takes long to come out. Sorry, English is failing me right now, but the hair doesn't come out. Fuck, I can't speak. But the protective style lasts much longer than it would if when I played the much bigger flat twists. So that's why I prefer the medium size of a flat twist.
Know what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So I hope that you've seen the difference, the amount of hair you hold when you're braiding makes. If you hold big hair, your twist is going to come out chunkier, but if you hold little hair, it's going to come out much thinner. Yeah, I'm sorry for my crooked braid, but if the video has been helpful to you, please give the video a big thumbs up, because it helps the channel grow. I'm just a small YouTuber, but with your help we can be able to grow together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.